Hey guys, so I received a new update on my Redmi Note 12 4G. It's version 14.0.11. So this is the latest update. It came with the June security patch, as you can see. So this update is just a minor update. There is no major differences if you update your phone from the previous MIUI 14 version. So as you can see, this is the MIUI 14.0.11. The version my phone was running was the MIUI 14.0.9, I think. So the 14.0.11, this one comes with the June security patch. So there's no issue whatsoever ever since I updated the smartphone. And if you receive the updates, you can actually update your phone without any worries. So I just wanted you guys to know about this, right? As you can see, there's little to no differences. Everything is still running quite okay. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. I haven't experienced any bugs or anything. Everything is working fine. So if you receive the update, update your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.